Let's have fun, boys. It don't get much better than this. That's a sweet experience.
Welcome back to another video, guys. We're starting off. Here we go. HBGP round 2. Got the whole shot. I guess I haven't yet, but whole shot lines up here, and we got off to a good start, and now we're ready to roll. Let's get to racing. Conditions may look perfect, but man, I can promise you this dirt is slick. I don't know what it was, but I guess it was just hard packed and had a little bit of moisture in it, and it got slick. I don't know what the deal was. Into the woods for the first time we go. Gonna try to put down a good lap and get some lines going here and make a note for next lap and try to get faster and faster as the day goes on. So right now you guys may hear behind me, it's a 4-stroke, and just from hearing it, I think I know who it is. I think it's Travis. He's behind me right now, so he's right on me, and then I think we got a little bit of a gap over 3rd place. And right now I don't know, I'm feeling a little sketchy, not feeling like myself, but oh yeah, overshot that corner there. So feeling like a little bit of a goon here, but trying to get my flow going, but it's not working out very well. Seems like I'm just looking straight down at the ground, not looking ahead and taking stupid lines, but I'm just thinking the opposite of that, you know, try to look ahead and stuff. But we ended up going to the right here, and I just saw arrows going up this way, and Travis saw a good line, so boom. Now we're in 2nd. That's exactly what I mean by not looking ahead, but he saw a line to the left, and it was a lot better, that's for sure. As soon as I got in 2nd, I immediately started feeling better. I don't know what it was, if it was just the pressure of leading, or if, you know, if riding behind somebody just kind of helped me get my flow and stuff. But I started feeling a little bit better and started flowing, looking ahead. And so now we're feeling all right behind Travis here, and we're just gonna try to do the same thing that he did to me and find a good line and get back around him. But there to the left, this is the Major Steve, is what they call it, and it's pretty much just an alternate line. And if you go to the left, there's a whole nother trail, so I should have took it, but we didn't ride this stuff in practice, so I didn't know it was here. And so now I've got it in my head for next lap if I need it. Alright, first lap is complete, on to the second lap, and I feel like we got a pretty good pace going here, so let's see what happens. Sorry if you guys hear anything rattling on my bike. One of my skid plate bolts were a little loose, so my skid plate was whacking up against my pipe the entire race. So my bad, guys. Alright, we're still behind Travis. We're still trying to get around him. Took a little bit of an alternate line there and just following him and seeing what lines he's taking. So yeah, I think we're both feeling alright right now, and both got a little bit of a flow going. I know I keep saying flow, but that was really an important thing about this trail, because with the slick dirt, you just kind of had to roll through everything and not get on too hard and not hit the brakes too hard, but you just really had to keep your momentum through everything. Alright, across one of the straightaways here, and then back into a creek, and boom! Travis tucks the front end right in front of me. So now we're back in the lead, and he made it easy on me for me to pass him. And we're going to try to keep the lead now. You guys may have just heard me there. I said, look ahead to myself out loud, but I was just really trying to keep it in my head because I was having a problem with it. This part right here, or this section, was one of the muddier sections and had some ruts in it, had some holes, but I thought it was pretty fun. It made it a little technical, and you really had to use your head through it. And right now Travis is still behind me. I can hear him off in the distance. He's not right behind me, but I can tell he's still back there. Going through some of these old ruts from a mud race in the past, but some of them were pretty bad, some of them got deep.
Let's go, buddy!
and here I just decided to go on the left side there. It seemed like it flowed better, but ended up not flowing at all. So that was a dumb little line mistake by me. A lot of the fast guys from the United States are over in Portugal right now racing the ISDE, and I want to know from you guys, who do you think is going to be the top American rider over all 6 days? Who do you think is going to be the fastest one in Portugal right now? Let me know, who do you think is going to be on top for America after all 6 days? Coming back to my race here, we're going to get through a super fast straightaway here. I wonder how fast we got going here. A little scary. And then hard on the brakes into a left-hander. So at this point, I knew I had a little bit of a lead because I couldn't hear anybody behind me, and that 4-stroke, you know, it's louder than the 2-stroke, so I couldn't hear anybody behind me, and I knew I had a pretty good lead, and ended up kind of getting the hang of things throughout the day, and my day got a little bit better as it went on, and ended up getting the win. So that was awesome, and the trail was pretty fun. An awesome day. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.